Jesus. Subalit ang bukal ng buhay ay bumalong para sa mga kaluluwa at ang karagatan ng awa ay bumugso para sa sanlibutan. O bukal ng buhay, walang hanggang awa ng Diyos, yakapin mo ang sangkatauhan at ibuhos mong ganap ang iyong sarili para sa aming lahat. O banal na dugo at tubig na dumaloy mula sa puso ni Jesus bilang bukal ng awa para sa aming lahat, ako ay nananalig sa iyo. O banal na dugo at tubig na dumaloy mula sa puso ni Jesus bilang bukal ng awa para sa aming lahat, ako ay nananalig sa iyo. O banal na dugo at tubig na dumaloy mula sa puso ni Jesus bilang bukal ng awa para sa aming lahat, ako ay nananalig sa iyo.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
Good day, I'm Jesselme and this is DZNN News Network. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of corporate governance. Behind the scenes playbook that determines who calls the shots in companies, how they run, and who the ultimate answer to. It's a game of power, accountability, and strategy that shapes not just business but the entire economy. Three main theories are at the core of this topic. Stewardship theory, that assess corporate managers as responsible steward of these corporations. Agency theory, where it is assumed that executive must control and keep them in check. Stakeholder theory, expanding the interest from shareholders to employees, customers, and society. Here are today's top headlines before we get started. Corporate governance and its relevance to international business. How stewardship theory builds trust among executive and shareholders. Agency theories, why investors call for stronger regulation. Stakeholders, theories and an increasing influence on ethical business practice. Perception of the masses towards corporate responsibility. Do they care? Let's start with the feature story, corporate governance and its impact to global businesses. More on this, we'll talk to business correspondents.
Thank you, Giselle. Corporate governance is the heart and soul of any businesses. It determines who makes decisions, who runs the show, and how the businesses remain accountable to stakeholders. In the past years, we have seen some of the largest corporate scandals highlighting the importance of governance. From fraud to mismanagement, poor governance can be catastrophic. Experts say that company must harmonize three dominant theory of governance. First is stewardship theory, under which managers work in the best interest of the firm. Followed by agency theory, with the caveat of conflict of interest and necessity of close control. Lastly is stakeholders theory, which contends that the company needs to act for more than just a shareholder. To see how these theories apply to real business, let us go to corporate governance experts, which will talk about stewardship theory.
Hello everyone. Did you know that the Sarbanes-Oxley Act was created in year 2002 after scandals like Enron showed public trust? So it made CEOs personally responsible for financial accuracy and talks about pressure.
para laging gwapo, Master Deep Cleanser cleans deep to fight oil, dirt, at pimples. Kaya gwapo. Master, sikreto ng mga gwapo.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Here you are. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Okay, go, go, go!
Yeah, I found them. They are the
H64.
Welcome on board on your flight SN501. We are fully ready for departure and enjoy your flight. Mr. Smith Jr., can you look outside, please? There's a surprise for you.
With Brussels Airlines, we go the extra smile.
Moving on to our next headline, how stewardship theory builds trust between executive and shareholders. And for that, let's proceed to corporate governance expert, broadcasting from the office of the major corporation.
That's correct to some. Stewardship theory holds that corporate managers are intrinsically motivated to act in the interest of their organization. Firms that adopt this paradigm focus on long-term goals, ethical leadership, and employee well-being. Agency theory is effective in firms with a robust corporate culture, but its critics say that agency theory is not powerful enough to compel all managers to behave responsibly. That is where agency theory comes into play. To learn more about this, let's hear it from our finance correspondent.
Now for today's weather update, we are expecting a clear and sunny day across all regions. There is no sign of rainfall and the sky will remain clear from morning until late afternoon. Temperatures will range from a comfortable 25 degrees Celsius in the morning and 31 degrees Celsius in the mid-afternoon. Gentle breeze will make a refreshing touch, making the day ideal for outdoor plans and activities. For those heading out outside, we advise you wearing your light clothing, use your sunscreen, and keep hydrated to stay comfortable throughout the day. And here's a little trivia for today. Did you know that the Philippines is located near the equator, experiencing only two main seasons, the wet and the dry season? This is due to our tropical climate, which influenced by monsoon rather than the four traditional seasons seen in the temperate countries. So, when we get a clear sunny day like today, this is the best time for us to enjoy what the nature can offer us.
Sige kuya, ako na lang. Dalawang two-piece hot cake meal. Oops. Sorry kuya. Extra syrup mo kuya.
Kamusta kas mo?
Okay lang. Kuya, nasmile na siya sa akin.
So good din. Ganito.
Ganito?
Hindi. Kapunti lang.
Yan?
Simple joys start at 50 pesos with McSaver meals.
Bukas ako taya.
Isang taon pa lang ako, nasundan na ni Toto. Grade 2, 8 taon pa lang, 4 na bata ang inaalagaan. Grade 6, 12 na ako, kasing dami na ng pamilya ko. Sabi mo, pasensya na, walang pera kaya mag-drop out ka. Ina ko, sabi mo kami mahal nyo. Ari ko, pati kayo nagplano. Sana hindi gutom at nag-aaral pa. Alaga't malusog ang buong pamilya.
Ang planadong buhay ay maayos na buhay.
Now, let's move on to our next headlines. Agency Theory. Why some investor call for coastal regulation? For this report, let's have Richard reporting from a financial district.
You're right on. Agency theory proves that executives might not always have the best interests of shareholders. They might have their own interests in money, and that's why they need to be controlled strictly. So we've seen this theory in operation in several of the biggest corporate scandals like Enron and WorldCom, where executives misuse money, cook books, and deceive investors.
So here's our trivia. Did you know corporate governance isn't just a box-ticking exercise? It's the backbone of responsible business leadership. Its primary goal is to ensure accountability, fairness, and transparency in a company's relationship with its stakeholders. This includes shareholders, employees, customers, and wider community. Strong governance builds trust, attracts investments, and helps prevent corporate scandals. In short, it's what keeps a company ethical, efficient, and sustainable.
Habang buhay, ako sa'yo'y maghihintay. Hinding-hindi kukupas pag-ibig na tunay. Umaraw man o umulan, di sasaklay. Pintado sa aking puso, pag-ibig na tunay.
Boyson Acrotex, the paint that lasts a lifetime. Almost.
Great taste white caramel lang ang may sweet linamnam. Yung itutuyan ka sa sarap ng tamang timpla. Pinagsamang sarap ng real coffee at cream caramel. Sweet linamnam, sweet linamnam, sweet linamnam. Great taste white caramel lang ang may sweet linamnam. Take a break at sweet linamnamin ng ba.
New Greatest White Caramel.
Oh, Ninyuse, dala niyo na ba yung gulay na pinabili ko sa inyo?
Opo, Nay Perla! Oh, Ninyo, dito tagpuan natin ha. O, palit na tayo.
Jose,
Uy.
dalhin mo na to at baka magutom ka
Great,
mamaya.
naman po. Di na tayo magugutom ninyo.
Oo. Huwag na kayong maghati. Meron din para kay ninyo.
Ay, salamat po, Nay Perla. Tayong dalawa. Tayo lang dalawa. Sabay na nangangarap. Pag-asa'y sa mulya. Balik na tayo. Tayong dalawa. Tayong dalawa.
Sus. Oh, ayan na. Ay, ito naman para sa'yo.
Salamat po. Pinilit kong magtinda kahit gabi na para magkapera tayo ngayong Pasko pero walang bumili kahit isa. Okay lang yan, kuya. Kaya Nanay Perla? Huh? Uy! Nanay Perla, maraming salamat po.
Oh, pumasok na kayo sa loob at dito na kayo mag-Noche Buena, ha?
Si tatay po, walang kasama.
Naghihintay na siya sa loob.
Talaga po? Salamat po. Totoo nga po talaga ang Pasko.
Maligayang Pasko sa inyo, ha?
Our second headline, Stakeholder Theory and its Increasing Influence on Ethical Business Practices. For this, we turn to Giuliani, reporting live from a labor rights protest.
Corporate governance is not only about the shareholders, it also involves the employees, the customers, and the communities. That's the essence of shareholders theory. Companies that utilizes this model prioritize fair compensation, socially responsible business, and good business ethics. Here at today's Workers' Rights Rally, where workers are demanding better payment and compensation, arguing that companies have to be worried more than just the money.
Another trivia. Did you know the board of directors isn't there to manage daily tasks? That's the CEO's job. Instead, they ensure that management stays aligned with the company's long-term goals and that shareholders' interests are safeguarded.
Inaamin ko na kay tagal bago nakalimutan ito. Muntik nang nasanay ako sa aking pag-iisa. At kaya nang iwanan ng bakas ng kahapon ko. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko. Nagbago man ang himig ng puso mo. Handa akong hamunin ang aking mundo pagkatuloy pa rin.
Welcome change.
with the new Burger McDo.
Morning, Josh!
Morning, Tita Sexy! Naligo ka na ba? Bukas na lang, insan.
Eh, ikaw man eh.
Yan ang pamilya ko. Sarap ng feeling kapag kasama sila. Uy, favorite ko to. Grabe naman, Kuya Josh. Really? Sarap eh.
Oh, para sa mga feeling!
Akin to. Rebisco. Rebisco. Magkakaiba, pero iisa ang gusto. Na-miss ko to.
Ako o Ribisco?
Siyempre naman, yung Rebisco. Ang nagpapasarap ng feeling ko, pamilya ko at Rebisco. Ang sarap ng feeling mo.
Sakit ba imong tuhod, imong likod, ug imong kalawasan? Nanakoy solusyon ana. Introducing Salo Vera, good for 24 hours use, not only for your knees, but can put on your back, lower back, thigh, leg, and your arm. This has a relaxing heat and effective because it is made from herbal pain relief. Palit na!
About our last headline, the public's opinion on corporate responsibility. Do business really care? For that, we go to Dagan in the midst of a bustling city street.
Giselle, corporate responsibility is at an all-time low in the public trust. I took the street today to talk to people and to hear their opinion about corporate responsibility.
What comes to your mind when you hear corporate responsibility?
Maayo. Like, moingon sila na oo, kunya, ginauna nila, kita nila sa ibang tao. Like, profit is motivate mo rather than like, kayuhan sa ilang mga trabahan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Corporate governance is more than just a set of rules. It's the framework through which companies are managed and directed. It influences everything from strategic decisions to ethics, and understanding its complexities is crucial. Let's explore 4 surprising facts that uncover the deeper dynamics behind corporate governance. Fact number 1. Corporate governance can trace its origins back to 1600 with the creation of the East India Company. This institution introduced a pioneering model by distinguishing between ownership and control. Shareholders held the financial stakes, but it was the board of directors who executed decisions. This separation laid the foundation for modern corporate structures and the ongoing tension between stakeholder interest and executive autonomy. Fact number 2. A critical principle in corporate governance is the separation of the roles of CEO and chairperson. When both roles are held by the same individual, it consolidates too much power in one pair of hands, which can lead to decision-making biases and lack of accountability. Separating these rules ensures that CEO can focus on daily operations while the chairperson provides independent oversight, thus maintaining balance of power and avoiding conflicts of interest. Fact number 3. Increasing diversity in the boardroom is not just a matter of inclusivity, it's a strategic advantage. Studies consistently show that companies with more women and diverse perspective on their boards exhibit a superior financial performance and better risk mitigation. This is because diverse boards are better equipped to challenge assumptions, promote creative problem solving, and make decisions that reflect a broader range of stakeholders' interests, leading to a more adaptive and resilient business model. Fact number 4. One of the fundamental challenges in a corporate governance is the agency problem. The conflict that arises when the interests of the shareholders or the principals diverge from those of managers or the agents. While shareholders seek long-term growth and profitability, managers may be incentivized by short-term goals such as annual bonuses or personal career advancement. This misalignment often leads to suboptimal decision-making. Effective governance structures, therefore, emphasize performance-based compensation to align the goals of executives with the long-term interests of the company and its investors. So much for that. Corporate governance is far from simple. It's a delicate balance of power dynamics, strategic oversight, and ethical responsibility. By understanding these dynamics, we can better appreciate how companies navigate the complexity of growth, accountability, and stakeholders' interest.
That's all for today. Corporate governance is not just a legal compliance issue. It's the foundation of sustainable, responsible business practice. Thank you for watching on DZNN. I'm Jesselme, wishing you a good day. Goodbye and God bless.
Manang, isang RC Cola. Tulong! Tulong! Anong nangyari sa kanya? Bigla na lang siyang hinimatay. Tama na. Okay lang yan. Elisa, mainit ang bunso niya.
Himala.
Tawagin silang lahat.
Wala akong himala!
Ba yan?
Ang himala ay RC Cola! Masarap! Pang-apat! Pero 24 pesos SRP lang! Kaya pwede ba? Bumili na lang kayo! Huwag niyo na akong guluhin! Wala akong himala!
Tara, bili tayo RC. Libre ko. Aba, himala.
Habang bata pa, sa damuhan maghabulan, magtampisaw sa ulan.
Ang pundasyon sa tamang paglaki, Pigrolac Premium Hog Starter Feeds.
Siksik sa Pigro Builders para lumaking malaman, mabigat at hindi sakitin.
Dahil minsan lang sila bata.
Pag starter stage na sila, Pigrolac Premium Hog Starter Feeds.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.